You guys have been going crazy for Alison Roman's deep sheet pizza dough, so let's make it together. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to add warm water, packet of instant dry yeast, so it's about 7 grams, 2 teaspoons of honey. Give it a quick whisk before we add in our flour, salt, and combine it until it looks like a shaggy dough. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. Then cover it with cling wrap and put the bowl into the fridge overnight for its first nap. The next day, you are going to see that it has risen. This makes 2 sheet pan pizzas for myself, 2 medium size, otherwise 1 really large size. Oil them, spread the dough out as much as you can before we put it down for its second nap. So cover it with cling wrap, leave it out on the countertop for about 60 minutes. Then you'll see it is much more pliable. Stretch it out and add whatever toppings you like. You can add pepperoni, mozzarella. I've added potato, sausage, rosemary, olives, and some mozzarella. Drizzle a bit of olive oil. Bake it for about 35-40 minutes at 230 Celsius and let it sit for about 15 minutes before take it out of the sheet pan. It will glide out with all that oil. Cut it into your desired portions and enjoy. Honestly, guys, this is so easy. It is delicious. Reminds me of focaccia. Not quite the same, but super delicious. And if you have any fears about making dough from scratch, I guarantee you this will take away all your fears. You'll see how easy it is and delicious. Enjoy and let me know what you think.